Well, Channel 9 asked about Gina's jet, as if that was the news of the day. Turns out Pauline flew in with the rest of us, cattle class all the way. Fair dinkum. She walked into that marble room with microphones and knives, city scribes with polished smiles waiting for the fall to arrive. But she stood there plain and steady, no script and no retreat. 30 years of buried truth laid out at their feet. They wanted sweat and panic, they wanted cracks to show. She gave them old school courage, the kind the battlers know. Then down came that little banner from the activist crowd. She barely turned a shoulder, just kept speaking clear and loud. Childish stunts don't stop the truth when the truth is standing proud. One voice under the Southern Cross, one flag against the rain. One country sick of being sold and told to smile through pain. From the mines to the Mallee, from the coast to the western plain, Pauline stood tall in Canberra, and the people felt the flame. Cattle class courage, no silver spoon, no shame. One voice under the Southern Cross, and the battlers knew her name. She said the nation's fraying when no one guards the gate, when English comes second and common sense comes late. Housing's out of reach now, power bills bite the bone. Working families pay the price while the suits fly home alone. They talk in polished circles with taxpayer-funded grace. She spoke like someone's mother, looking trouble in the face. They tried to twist the meaning, tried the smirk and loaded line, but she cut through all their theater with a backbone built by time. No apology, no retreat, no bowing to the lie. One voice under the Southern Cross, one flag against the rain. One country sick of being sold and told to smile through pain. From the suburbs to the stations, from the factories to the farms, Pauline cut through all their noise with the battlers' steady arms. Cattle class courage, no first class alibi. One voice under the Southern Cross, looking Canberra in the eye. They called it chaos, called it ugly, but the people watching knew she was standing in the fire while the press pack circled through. No apology, no folding, no retreat behind a smile, just plain words in a polished room that echoed mile by mile. And maybe that's the thing they hate more than anything she said. She speaks the words they bury, and the crowd still nods its head. One voice under the Southern Cross, one nation rising still. One country counting every cost, from the harbor to the hill. Let them sneer and let them slander, let them laugh from near and far. Pauline Hanson spoke for Australia in that press club hall of glass. Cattle class courage, no silver spoon, no shame. One voice under the Southern Cross, and the battlers knew her name. One voice under the Southern Cross, one flag against the rain. voice, one fight, one country, and the battle's heard every word.